Hey, welcome to the YouTube Scale Model Builders Group Build Update. I'm your host, Dustin from Lamb Chop Builds. Hey, welcome back. I know it's been a while since I've done one of these videos. Kind of life got busy for a while, and now work's not slowing down, but we're not working as much overtime, so it's a little bit slower. So now I'm hopefully going to have more time to do these and to work on some models myself. As you can see, the wall back here, I just got it painted. We got a new desk over here. So I've been doing a little bit of remodeling in my little hobby space down here. Now let's I don't know, get on with this. I kind of forgot what I was doing, so bear with me on this first video back. I know, yeah, here we go. The Porsche Group Build, hosted by Lucas C's Porsche Model Car Headquarters. That ends on 9/30. I know we only got a couple days left in that group build. Then coming up starting in October here, we got the Breast Cancer Awareness 24-hour group build with Grandpa Mark and Linus Schultz. That'll run October 10th, or October 11th and October 12th, and that is coinciding with the Chris Cortell Cancer Awareness Group Build, which will also end on run from October 1st to October 31st. Then we have the Motorcycle Group Build, hosted by Jamie G and GI Mechanic. That ends October 16th. Then we have the Big Rig Group Build, hosted by Jess Model Garage. That'll be ending October 31st as well. Then we have the Rust Bucket Group Build, hosted by Mars Garage, ending October 31st, 2025. We have the Glory Days of Drag Racing Group Build, hosted by the Big Sky Model Workshop and Dirt Road Cinderella, ending on November 1st. Move my screen down here a little bit. We have the Race Car Hauler Group Build, hosted by the Modeling Hermit, ending on November 1st. The 2025 NASCAR Group Build, hosted by West Georgia Rods and Customs and Just Model Garage, will be ending November 2nd. And then coming up around Thanksgiving, we have the Turkey Shoot, running from 11/24 to 11/27. There'll be more info coming out on that, I'm sure. Then we have the Gasser Street Freak Group Build, hosted by the Bearded Guy. That started August 2nd, and that'll run until December 1st, 2025. Then we have the F1 Group Build for 2025, hosted by Tim at Boxstock Garage and Kyle at RKD Scaleworks. That ends December 7th, 2025. And then recently announced kind of is the Christmas Build, hosted by Kim's Custom Garage. That will end on December 10th, 2025. Screen down here. We have my shop truck group build ending on December 31st, 2025. Thanks to those that have participated in that. If you haven't tagged me in the video, be sure to do so, and I'll like to see some of them. For those that did participate, I'm slowly going to get mine done. I may not get it done by December 31st, but I'm gonna try. It's been a challenge, to say the least. Then we have the Rally Cool Group Build, hosted by the Scale Model Car Podcast. If that's, I know they're not doing that anymore, but I'm sure the group build will still end on December 31st, 2025 here. Then we have the Street Machine Group Build, hosted by Blue Ox Model Shop, ending December 31st. Then we have the Out of This World Group Build, hosted by Crankenstein Creations and Model Car Madness RI, ending December 31st. We have the Off-Road Group Build, hosted by Card Scale Dreams, ending December 31st, 2025. We have the Pro Street F and Everything Group Build, hosted by Resins by Reese and Scale Speed Garage, ending December 31st. We have the Custom Hot Rod Illustrated Group Build, hosted by Left Coast Model Car Builds, ending December 31st, 2025. And then the Second Chance Zombie Group Build, hosted by Jason at KRD and Paul at Left Coast Motor Car Builds ending January 1st, 2026. We have the Burgers and Beer Group Build hosted by the Intake and Rat Daddy Studios ending February 4th, 2026. I think that's supposed to be, that might be July 4th, 2026. I need to, don't quote me on any of them, on the date on that one. Because I thought it was July 4th, but it could be February 4th, 6-month build. We got Woody's Rock and Roll on Wheels Group Build 2026, hosted by Woody Scale Models, ending on March 1st, 2026. We have the Light 'em Up Group Build, hosted by Ed from ELH Scale Model Garage, ending March 1st, 2026. We got the Box Stock Group Build, hosted by Shaggy's Awesome Garage and Link Scale Models, ending on March 1st, 2026. We have the USAC 2026 Group Build, hosted by Lucas C. and Mark Batson, with Fred Henry having the honors of picking the 69 Camaro Revell this year. That just started here a couple weeks ago, September 15th, runs till March 15th, 2026. We have the Nasty Nova Group Build, hosted by Pit Stop Model Garage and Battleborn Hobbies, ends March 31st, 2026. The Dazed and Confused Group Build, hosted by West Georgia Rods and Customs and King Bob Model Works, ending May 26th, 2026. Then we have the Cannonball Run Group Build, hosted by Billboard Builds. That runs, it ran from 8/1/2025 to 8/31/2026. I got to do some more research, get some more groups listed in here. If I can find some more, if you're hosting a group build, shoot me an email, lemchopbuilds@gmail.com, and I will get you in the next episode of the group build update. This will probably be going maybe a bi-weekly. I was thinking weekly is a lot of time involved in this, and there's not a lot changing week to week. So I think bi-weekly I should be able to capture any new group builds and any that have coming up or fallen off. They'll be I'll be able to take note. And then, as always, I try to link the announcement videos in the description of this video and tag the host as well. And if you have when you email, if you have a group build you're hosting, if you have a picture for the group build, send that along and that'll be included in the video. If not, I try to find something to put with them, to show. And it could just be the picture of a channel hosting the host channel or something, just so someone can find you. But again, I know it's been a while since I've had a video out. I recorded one back in, I think when I went on vacation in July. I kind of had one recorded and never got to edit it, and been busy since. So now I'm hopefully getting a little more time available. I was enjoying I enjoy doing this. But when I'm working 60 or 60, 75 hours a week, and then trying to work a little bit on, do my own stuff, it's just, you get tired. Get up at 2:30 in the morning, be at work all day, get home, you're a little bit tired, and by 7:30, time for bed. With that, this bi-weekly group build update, we'll see you next time. Have a mile.